Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to find and filter files in Microsoft Teams. This is incredibly useful when you're managing multiple documents and need to locate specific files quickly without scrolling through endless lists. Let's jump right into it. First things first. Open your Microsoft Teams application and log into your account. Make sure you're using the credentials associated with your organization or team workspace. Once you're logged in, you'll see the main Teams interface with various options available on the left-hand side of your screen. Now, take a look at the left sidebar and click on OneDrive. This is where all your personal files stored within Teams are organized and accessible. By clicking on OneDrive, you're essentially opening your file repository where everything you've uploaded or created is neatly stored. This section is your go-to place for managing documents, spreadsheets, presentations, and other file types you've been working with. Once you're in OneDrive, you'll see all of your files displayed on the screen. At the top of the page, right beside the Recent tab, you'll notice several filter options. These filters are designed to help you sort files based on their type, making it much easier to find exactly what you're looking for without having to scan through every single document. You can click on filters like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, PDF, and more. Each of these options will instantly display only the files of that specific type. For example, if you click on Excel, only your spreadsheet files will appear, filtering out everything else. This feature is particularly helpful when you know the format of the file you need but can't remember its exact name or location. Right beside these file type filters, there's a search bar. This search bar is another powerful tool for filtering your files. You can type in a keyword, file name, or even part of a phrase that appears in your document. As you type, Teams will filter the results in real time, showing you only the files that match your search criteria. This combination of type filters and keyword search gives you maximum control over how you locate your files. And that's it. You've now learned how to efficiently find and filter your files in Microsoft Teams using both file type filters and the search function. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.